This cat does not care about running water, like, at all. He just drinks from it and he plays with it. Oh, thank you, you just got me all wet by flapping your paw around. He gets his paws all wet and he flicks his paw and the water gets everywhere. And what he does is he plays with the water or drinks out with it. I thought I'd just share this with you. So I'm just drinking the water, really. Oh, weird cat. Look, he's got his head under it and everything, he just doesn't care. Oh, you're getting me all wet, you know. Oh, yeah, just got water everywhere. Oh! Blue! He literally just flapped his paw and I think my camera just got soaked. Oh, you're a silly cat. There you go. Now he's going to dry himself up now.